Long Tailed Shrike. Scientific name Lanius shah. Bangla naam Kalo Matha Koshai. The long-tailed shrike or rufous-backed shrike is a member of the bird family Lanidae. They are found widely distributed across Asia. Adults have a dark mask and a light grey upper back with a variable amount of orange on lower back and flanks. Gives loud, screeching calls, also mimics other birds. Both the sexes are similar. Least concern refers to abundant species widely distributed across countries.